Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to talk about a quick start guide to Google My Business. Nowadays, every business should know how important it is to have an online presence. If you don't have a well-designed website, are not showing up on the first page of Google, and not implementing a social marketing strategy, your potential customers are guaranteed to be finding and going to your competitors. This is even more important when you're a local shop or provide a local service. This is where Google My Business comes into its own. So what is Google My Business? Google My Business, also known as GMB, is a free online tool created by Google for small business owners. It is easy to use and allows you to manage your online presence across Google. It allows you to help your customers find your business should you need your customers to come to your shop, as well as allowing you to market and promote your services and the products you sell. Here are some of the things that you can do with Google My Business. 1. The COVID-19 alert. In these unprecedented times with the coronavirus pandemic, many businesses have had to close, while others are still able to stay open but under different conditions. Google has added a COVID-19 alert in their post section. This allows you to tell your customers to the current state of your business. 2. Google Reviews. GMB allows you to manage reviews from one main page. Google Reviews are also a ranking factor, so it's essential to get them. One caveat. Make sure they are genuine reviews. Never create false or fake reviews. This will harm your business. 3. Google Maps. Take control of your business's location and contact information as it appears to your customers on Google Maps. If you optimize your GMB listing correctly using local SEO, you can appear on the first page of Google in the Maps 3-pack. 4. Tell people about events. Using posts, you can tell people about an upcoming event that you are holding. 5. Tell people about your business. You can use posts to tell your customers what you are doing, new products or services you have, sales promotions, and much more. 6. Book appointments. You can even book appointments through Google My Business. These are just a handful of things that you can do with Google My Business. So what does Google My Business do for your business? Google My Business allows you to respond to reviews about your company or organisation, good or bad. You should always reply to all reviews, especially the negative reviews. By replying to negative reviews, it not only allows you to try and resolve the problem, but shows your potential customers that you take customer service seriously. Google My Business, you can respond to negative reviews about your company. You can use Hangouts to provide customer service and resolve issues. You can even see what effects these negative reviews have on web traffic. You can combine your brand page, social media marketing campaigns, reviews, information and maps on just one platform. This allows you to be sure you aren't forgetting to keep up with any aspect of your online presence. As a small business owner on Google My Business, you can see where your customers are located and what their needs are. You can use this information to design a better ad campaign. You can control your ad campaign on Google or from your mobile device. Is Google My Business difficult to use? The nice thing about Google My Business is that you probably already use many of its individual components. This means that there's virtually no learning curve. You can get started with a platform almost immediately. As a small business owner, you will find the platform to be not only a benefit to your business, but you will find it to be an extreme time saver. To sign up with Google My Business, simply type into Google My Business, then click on the Sign In or Manage Now button. The site will take you through the registration process, follow all the prompts, enter the required information, and your Google My Business account is up and running. It really is that simple. If you want to increase your company's presence online, signing up with Google My Business is a no-brainer. Get started today for free. It will be the best money you have never spent. Here are some tips for using Google My Business right now. As I just mentioned, Google My Business is not a difficult platform to use. The key is this: you've just got to use it. So, what 4 things can you do right now, right from the comfort of your desk? 1. Set up your profile. Take the time right now, while you are thinking about it, To set up your small business profile, claim your space on Google by simply going to Google My Business and click on Manage. 2. Add images. Add images to your profile. The images you choose should showcase your business. Be sure to include keyword optimized file names to boost search results. Not sure what to include? Try any of these suggestions. The inside and outside of your store, shop or business, you and your team, before and after photos, or of your staff at work. 3. Manage reviews. You can monitor and manage your reviews right from your Google My Business dashboard. One of the coolest things to do about this platform is the ability it gives the small business owner to manage reviews found across the web. You can see how many reviews you have and you can respond to any of them that you choose, though you should choose all of them. 4. Leverage insights. Take a look at the insights section. You will discover how people are finding you on the web and how often they are clicking on your site's link from Google search. The benefits of Google My Business are too good to ignore. Think that you can't take 10 minutes of your day to keep your Google My Business account updated? Think again. The benefits of utilising the platform are too good to ignore. You've got growth, authorship, search engine recognition and flexibility. If you choose to ignore Google My Business, consider how many potential customers are being driven to your competition that has chosen to utilise the platform. With its ease of use and incredible flexibility, Google My Business is a platform that every small business owner should be making the most of. Hope you found this episode helpful and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. Have a great day.